Hey folks, this video will teach you how to pronounce the Brazilian Portuguese word molho. The correct pronunciation is molho. Once again, molho. Here's a fun fact. In Portuguese, most savory sauces are translated as molho, while sweet sauces, especially those with syrupy consistency, are often called calda. For example, tomato sauce, molho de tomate. Bechamel sauce, molho bechamel. Hollandaise sauce, molho holandês. But for dessert sauces, caramel sauce, calda de caramelo. Chocolate sauce, calda de chocolate. Strawberry sauce, calda de morango. But remember, the correct pronunciation is always the one that people can understand, so don't be afraid. Choose whatever is easiest for you. Let's say it one more time. Molho. You've got it! If you have any other word suggestions, feel free to comment below. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.